Get sonic scrubbing technology with VibraTwin from JML, the amazing dual-action machine that scrubs, cleans and polishes all your floors with a high-speed cleaning sonic action that scrubs at over 1,000 times per minute. Stains like this can be hard to remove just by scrubbing. You can try doing it by hand, or you can let the scrubbing power of VibraTwin do the cleaning for you. With thousands of microfiber pods, VibraTwin scrubs and cleans faster than you could ever do by hand, and the results speak for themselves. VibraTwin with sonic scrubbing technology literally vibrates at over 1,000 times per minute, cleaning the carpet fibers, helping to separate and lift the dirt into the microfiber pad for a fresh scrubbed clean. And carpet cleaning is just the start. Simply replace the quick change pad, and now you can clean linoleum and laminate flooring. Freshen and polish the natural color, look and luster to hardwood. Clean and polish pristine tile and stone flooring. And do it all with one machine, the VibraTwin. Any flooring surface for every room in your home.